This is Olivia Lobel, author of The Enlightened Entrepreneur and founder of AuthenticBeSuccess.com, and welcome to the Enlightened Entrepreneur video training series on how to make an impact and an income doing what you love. Today's video is about your big why. It's about identifying the big why behind it all, so that you know why you want what you want. To connect with the core of your authentic life, the life you love, you need to delve into it deeper and explore the real reason why you are here on this planet. So, I want to give you 3 simple yet powerful tools right now to help you get started right away. Answer the 3 key questions. 1. What's your big why behind it all? 2. What's your big vision, big mission, big message? 3. What's the real reason why you want what you want? Bonus tip: what's the higher power of it all? Now apply the law of Gandhi. Go and do it. And more important, take the very next first step today. And that, my dear friend, will bring you authentic business success as an enlightened entrepreneur when it comes to living the life you love. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's your big why behind it all? Share a comment below. If you like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends. And if you want even more great resources from my book, The Enlightened Entrepreneur, to help you make an impact and an income doing what you love, go to enlightenedentrepreneurbook.com and get your special gifts now. Be authentic and keep going for your passion and purpose. The world is waiting for your special gifts. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Until then, share your passion, live your purpose, and truly thrive today.